The Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G has finally arrived, and today we are opening the box to see exactly what Xiaomi's newest mid-range smartphone brings to the table. We will take a close look at everything included in the package before testing the phone's design, display, cameras, performance, and software experience. Before we continue, leave a comment and tell us which feature matters most to you when choosing a new mid-range phone. Could this be the best value 5G smartphone of 2026? Keep watching until the end as we share our early impressions, highlight its most important features, and find out whether the Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G deserve a place on your upgrade list. After spending some time using the Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G, my initial experience has been very encouraging. The phone feels surprisingly premium in the hand. The display appears vibrant, responsive, and smooth, and the overall performance is quick enough to handle everyday tasks without any noticeable trouble. The camera system also delivers promising results when shooting in well-lit conditions, capturing images with good detail and pleasing clarity. Of course, the final verdict will depend heavily on the price Xiaomi chooses, but if the company keeps it competitive, the Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G could easily become one of the strongest and most appealing mid-range smartphones for everyday users this year. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, and turn on the notification bell for more smartphone unboxings and reviews. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.